Hello, my name is Adefemi. Welcome to Wealth Seedling. If you have ever felt that investing is only for people who earn a lot more than you, this video is for you. Today, we are talking about why you do not need a big income to start investing. Many people believe they must earn more before they can invest. This belief feels logical, but it quietly keeps people waiting for years. Waiting often feels safe, but it delays growth. What matters more than income size is consistency. Money grows best when small actions are repeated regularly. Even modest amounts can create progress when they are steady. Starting small removes pressure. It allows you to learn without fear and build confidence over time. Growth does not begin with perfection, it begins with movement. Growth often feels slow when expectations are too high, but steady progress compounds quietly. Patience supports growth even when results are not immediate. Waiting for a bigger income can cost more than starting small. Experience builds clarity. Clarity builds confidence. And confidence makes growth easier to sustain. You do not need a big income to start investing. You need clarity, patience, and consistency. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to Wealth Seedling for calm and practical guidance on growing your money. Thank you for watching.